Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, we will discuss how you can extend the Web Stories plugin functionality and add a Web Stories widget inside Elementor easily. Make sure that you have installed and activated Elementor, Web Stories plugin and Web Stories widgets for Elementor plugin. Now navigate to Stories tab on your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see your published stories and can create new ones. Now navigate to your pages and edit the page with Elementor. Now from the Widgets section, drag and drop the Web Stories widget. Choose the story that you want to display on your page. Next from Style, choose Preferred Style for your story. If you have selected Circle from Style, then additional customization settings will appear. Here you can adjust story height, border width, padding along with border colors according to your requirements. After satisfied with all the changes, publish your page and preview it. Web Stories has been successfully added to your page. Thanks for watching.